is used to deliver large equipment from the road to the powerhouses below.
Here we are at
Hoover Dam.
Hoover Dam. There's Christy. We've been married now 11 years, one day. Still together.
Thinking about keeping each other around 11 years and one more day.
Our second honeymoon. It's beautiful.
Brave characters called high skiers swung from the top of the canyon walls by a single rope and a small chair, drilling, blasting, and chipping away at the rock. They raised the walls to their solid flat foundation to prevent the natural rock.
You can see me with Hoover Dam behind me.
Some have said that in the shadow of Hoover Dam,
see all
one feels that
cars coming down.
That no obstacle is
Dam.
insurmountable.
It's the new bridge that will route people around.
Power to achieve anything if we only
And we're just having a great time here in Vegas. Well, not in Vegas anymore. We're in Boulder City, but at the
We're
dam.
still in Nevada.
Happy anniversary.
Extreme close up.
Happy anniversary.